Guys, are you struggling on Netflix with what VPN to use? Well, I'm going to show you an incredible VPN right now. It's called Expressvpn. It's the one I use because it's the fastest and it gets through the Netflix barrier. So let's get straight into this. So here we go, guys. You can see I'm logged into Netflix.
Room is a drama that's traumatic.
Blockbuster's playing at the top. All right, I'm on Australia, Sydney right now. Okay, if I actually connect this to, let's go with somewhere else. Let's go with the Netherlands. Okay. Continue and connecting. Look how fast Expressvpn is. Boom, in. And I actually refresh the Netflix. Okay, you're gonna get a different catalog. You'll see here international programs. So what comes up for the ad? Love is Blind. What's going on in Netflix right now? Only on in Netflix here. The Takeover. Everything changes is my point. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna prove this to you right now. So if I go up here and search for Sing, the film Sing, right? Everyone should have watched it. It's incredible. You can see it here, little hedgehog singing. It's actually a really good film. If you search this in America, they don't have it. So let's connect Expressvpn to the United States and search for Sing. So I've not changed the Netflix login. All I'm doing is refreshing. We're now connected to America, and where has it gone? It's not here. What does that mean? We are now on the USA catalog. This is what Expressvpn does. All you gotta do is just change the country. Let's see if Ireland have Sing. All right, and you can unlock all the catalogs for every country on the VPN. It's incredible. Let's do it. What do we think? Let me know in the comments. It hasn't got it in Ireland either. So right now, if you go to the Netherlands one, you're going to get to watch it. That's my point. It works on Netflix. Don't believe people that are saying VPNs can't get you different catalogs. I've just proven they can. Let's get it. Guys, please keep supporting the channel. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I'm going to bring you all tips like this, whether it's Netflix, Amazon, anything. I'm going to compare VPNs because that link down below is actually going to get you the most up-to-date deal on Expressvpn. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next video.